Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create a phantom wallet username, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So to do so, first of all, go ahead, open up your phantom wallet app and get signed in. Then you will find this kind of interface, right? So for you to simply change or create a phantom wallet username, you're going to tap on this little account icon on top, this drop down icon, tap on it. Now tap on this option of settings, then tap on manage accounts. Now from over here, tap on this option of view profile, tap on edit profile, and you will land on this section where you can see username right over here. Now go ahead, delete this thing, delete the existing username, and go ahead, add the one you want. Make sure it is available, because if it's not available, then that you won't be able to have it. Add in a valid one. When you see the green text over here, username available, tap on save, and there you go, your username has been done. We're going to go back and we will be able to check it out over here as well. There you go, that's how we do it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.